Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best laundry detergents that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Charlie's soap. Charlie's laundry soap has been the most reviewed and the most highly rated so far. It's a perfect pick for both home use and commercial purposes. It has been praised for being extremely safe for the sensitive skin since it causes no irritation or itchiness of any kind. This goodness can be attributed to the fact that Charlie's soap doesn't contain any GMO in its formula and has no added fragrances, perfumes, or chemical brighteners. Moreover, it has been designed for use in any machine and does well in either hot or cold water. Moving on at number 4, we have the Tyler Glamorous Wash, Diva. You won't be wrong to call this Diva a miracle in a bottle. This is what is on most ladies' lips today. You'll be forgiven if you ordered it to save on your perfume. Furthermore, lots of people are doing it today. Tyler Glamorous Wash is a fine laundry detergent that can be used in washing machines or used for hand washing. Users reported falling in love with the dramatic scent that filled their house when the washing machine was running. At number 3, we have the Almighty Pax laundry detergent. For those on tight budgets but still need a real stain remover at an extremely friendly price, Almighty Pax is for you. This is a super concentrated detergent derived from a hypoallergenic formula to make it safer for the ultra-sensitive skin. It has no fragrances or dye. The package has 2 bottles each, enough for 67 loads. This means that the 2 will offer you 134 amazingly clean and stain-free loads. The detergent can be used in either cold or hot water and is safe for use in both standard and washing machines. At number 2, we have the 7th generation natural laundry detergent. 7th generation is an all-natural detergent specially designed for the sensitive skin. As such, it has no added synthetic fragrances, dyes, or brighteners. This clinically tested and USDA-approved detergent uses an all-plant-based formula to fight the most stubborn stains and leave your fabric moisture-nicking, fresh-smelling, and odor-free. Besides, it's much more efficient in cold water than other contenders are in hot water. This will not only save you electricity bills but also help in giving your fabrics a longer life. And finally at number 1, we have the Nathan Sport Wash Performance Detergent. Nathan Sport Wash Performance is designed to fight notorious odors that won't come off your fabrics with other detergents. This detergent works well in all temperatures and with any type of machine. It utilizes special biodegradable formulas that trap soil in high-tech fabric, thereby bringing it back to its original condition. Amazingly, it does all these without affecting the original color of your clothes. It only helps the color to remain intact and vibrant. Additionally, Nathan is a solution to messes that other detergents may have caused on your fabric. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.